Alright guys, so we are at the animal park at the Conservation Center in Burlington, and we're going to check out what it's all about and give you our, I guess, our rating on it, because it looks pretty cool.
It's sketchy when you first drive in, but it's well established, it looks like.
Yeah.
You can see one of the cats right there.
So stay tuned.
I'm sorry. Well, these guys, Jerry over here behind us, Mason, him and his little house, was a former educational animal. I'm not sure about Mr. Sash here.
He looks so weird up close.
Oh, he's yawning.
Oh, that's cute. I don't care.
There's a little up close for y'all.
We do what's called socialization. These guys have come from a place where they were under sea there. They were used to that contact.
He's a climber. He's also a good swimmer. So remember Kim over here was talking about these thermals that get the frog Where's everybody going, Bubby?
He's like, bye.
Yeah.
That's fine. You didn't bring me anything to eat, so I'm done.
It is the last place on earth where you can find them. We have. You just spoke Turkish. Kuda means black and kulak means ear. And can you see why he got that name? Yes. Look at those ears. India and Persia in days gone by. They're living in the forest. I don't know. In Asia. And Harry, Linda's tracking the white wolf. They are they came to us about 10 years ago as pups. Now, Pika and Ray are brother and sister, the black wolves. And would you believe they are still puppies? They are not fully grown. We're bunch of Yep, right there. Real questions or we'll... Yes. Yeah, a little heavier. But yeah, it's a great question. All gray wolves, but different lineage. Let's see if we... Lions and your jaguars and your leopards, exactly. No bears. So these...
Savannah is in heat.
So we may, see a little bit of activity. Yep. So, if you're the male lions, for the adults here are vasectomized. Are you still talking to us?
That has a big belly.
He does have a little.
So that's Melly and Bear. You see him at the back here?
Yes, he looks like Shiba Inu. Yeah, we're gonna go see more.
If y'all want to walk them down this way, we're going to come right back through here.
Now, are there any Leos here?
That's my boy.
And run and kick them around their enclosure, and they're pretty good. They are pretty good. In recent years, Greensboro Science Center, there used to be some tigers there. Those were the siblings. But unfortunately for parts of beautiful creatures like this, you see those stripes tilting his head there, and tigers will chuckle on his wing. One more tiger.
Yeah, thank you.
Allergies in her area, and that seems to be true because she's pretty much cleared up in the time that she's been with us, and we were glad to give her a different place to try out. It's a little less black, and she's got a little more white in her coat. Just a little bit of a different coloration from him. Also a little bit smaller than Wick is. But yeah, tigers.
I love them. Hi, my baby girl.
Alright guys, so now we've been through the full tour. What was it to get in?
17.
17.
Some change for a person.
Yeah, 17 and some change per person is like $17.08. It's a fully guided tour. They do ask that you make reservations online, which we didn't know.
Oops.
But it was actually really cool. So if y'all are ever in the Burlington area, definitely come over here and check it out. It's a really well-established facility. They got lions, tigers, no bears. No bears.
You have all kinds of wild cats.
A lot of wild
and
cats.
Arctic fox.
Yes, my favorite. Which y'all saw at the beginning.
They got singing dogs, all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, those ones that looked like dogs, those are actually dingoes. Well, a breed of dingo.
Is it like a bear cat too?
A bear cat was one of them.
Got
but-
2 of those.
Yeah.
Lemurs.
All kinds of cool stuff, as y'all seen, of course. But definitely come check it out, guys. It was definitely worth the visit. They have a giant rabbit, which I didn't put in the video. Some spiders and snakes and stuff. But definitely come check it out. Thanks for watching. Peace.